So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone. When you get to your phone menu, try to search for the app. So scroll down. When you find the app, use your finger to tap on the app for some while. And you're going to see this pop up. Tap on application details. After that, tap on permissions and make sure you've allowed every permission over here. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back, then tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is on. Now go back after turning it on. Tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do is to restart your device. But before you restart your device, please go to Play Store and update your app. So when you check for the app update and you are not updated, what you have to do is to tap on the update to update it and get installed on your device successfully. So after updating it, tap on the power button for some while and now reboot your device or restart your device. If you can't find this, then turn your phone off and also turn it on again. It's the same process. So when you do it like this, then you leave it and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video.